Hey guys, welcome back to Earthy DIY. In today's video, we're going to be making an avocado hair butter. So for this recipe, we're going to be using a ripe avocado. The riper, the better. So firstly, we're going to make an avocado infused hair oil. We're going to be using a total of 51 grams of coconut oil and olive oil. So while that is being infused, we're also going to melt down some butters. So we're going to be using a total of 200 grams of Shea and mango butter. So we're going to melt the butters and infuse the oil using the double boiler method. So we chose avocados for this video because they are extremely moisturizing and nourishing to the hair. They contain natural oils that are beneficial to almost all hair types. They are also a great source of biotin, which have been said to promote healthy hair growth. And according to a 2015 study, avocados were found to contain minerals that help to seal cuticle cells, which can prevent the hair from breaking. So now we're going to strain the oil, and then we're going to combine the oil and the melted butter into one container. So just put it in the fridge until it turns solid or semi-solid. Then whisk until you get a light and fluffy texture. That's the end of the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Hope that you guys enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.